Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to speed up your internet. For this, go to the Windows. Here need to type run. In the run need to type ncpa.cpl and press OK. In the local area network, right click properties and then select internet protocol version 4 properties. Here need to change the DNS address. Here you need to type 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS 1.1.1.1. then click OK, then close it, again close it, again press the start. Here need to type cmd and right click, run as administrator. Here type ipconfig space /flush DNS, enter. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. That's it. After this, system need to be restarted. After the restart, your internet will be most probably it will be speed up. Okay, thank you.